Car interior cleaners are essential for removing dirt, dust, and stains, restoring surfaces to a clean, shiny, like new finish. My today's video is about the top 5 best car interior cleaners available in the market. If you want to know prices or get more information about the products mentioned, check the links in the description box below. Let's get started. Starting with our first product, Chemical Guys Fabric Clean Drill Brush Kit. The Chemical Guys Foaming Fabric Clean Kit is a premium solution for keeping your car interior spotless and fresh. Trusted by professional detailers and car care enthusiasts, this kit deep cleans carpets, upholstery, and floor mats using a high foaming action that penetrates fibers for thorough dirt and stain removal. Its fresh citrus scent leaves interiors smelling clean and revitalized. This cleaner is particularly effective against tough stains from coffee, soda, food, and pets, while neutralizing odors at the source for long-lasting freshness. The included drill brush attachment accelerates cleaning by agitating and lifting dirt effortlessly, making the process faster and more efficient. Formulated to be safe on both synthetic and natural fabrics, it cleans thoroughly without fading or damaging upholstery. Easy to use. Simply spray, agitate, and blot or vacuum for a fresh, like new finish. Beyond cars, it works on RVs, boats, furniture, and household rugs, making it a versatile must-have for fabric care. Now, our second product is Armor All Multi-Purpose Cleaner. The Armor All Multi-Purpose Interior Car Cleaning Spray is a reliable solution for keeping your vehicle's interior spotless and fresh. This 16 fluid ounces bottle is designed for powerful cleaning across multiple surfaces, including dashboards, vinyl, clear plastics, carpet, and fabric, making it a versatile addition to any car care routine. Its stain-removing formula effectively tackles tough dirt, dust, and grime, as well as stubborn smudges from sunscreen and everyday messes, restoring surfaces to their original look. Whether it's fingerprints on dashboards, dirt on carpets, or smudges on vinyl, this spray handles it all with minimal effort. Tested safe for automotive surfaces, it cleans thoroughly without causing fading or damage, preserving the integrity and beauty of your car's interior. Convenient and easy to use. Simply spray and wipe to maintain a fresh, polished, like new interior. With Armor All, regular car cleaning becomes effortless and effective, ensuring your vehicle always looks its best. Our third product is Meguiar's Quick Interior Detailer Cleaner. The Meguiar's Quick Interior Cleaner is a professional-grade solution designed to clean, protect, and restore all interior car surfaces. Safe for plastics, vinyl, leather, rubber, metal, and even LCD and navigation screens, this versatile cleaner lifts dust, dirt, grime, and spills while restoring surfaces to their original, like new appearance. Its gentle, high lubricity formula ensures fast, effective cleaning without causing streaks or residue. The built-in sun-blocking agents protect interiors from aging, fading, cracking, and drying, making it ideal for long-term care. The improved, deep cleaning formula leaves a dark, rich shine that looks premium but feels non-greasy. The convenient spray bottle allows quick touch-ups, making maintenance effortless during busy schedules. With over 125 years of industry leadership, Meguiar's continues to deliver trusted, professional-grade products for DIY enthusiasts and car detailers alike. Reliable, safe, and highly effective, this interior cleaner is a must-have for anyone wanting a clean, protected, and polished car interior. Coming in at number 4, Armor All Ultra Shine Total Vehicle Detailer. The Armor All Ultra Shine Total Vehicle Detailer Spray is a versatile and convenient solution for quick, professional-quality car detailing. Housed in a generous 22 fluid ounces bottle, this spray works effectively on both interior and exterior surfaces, making it ideal for fast touch-ups between washes. Its powerful cleaning action removes dust, lint, dirt, sunscreen, and pollen, leaving your vehicle's surfaces spotless. Tested safe for automotive surfaces, it can be used confidently on plastics, vinyl, leather, paint, glass, and even rims, providing complete coverage without causing damage. The 3-in-1 formula delivers a streak-free shine on glass while enhancing paint's natural luster, giving your car a showroom-quality finish. Lightweight and easy to use, it enables bumper-to-bumper detailing quickly and efficiently, saving time while maintaining peak appearance. Whether for regular maintenance or emergency touch-ups, this quick detail spray is perfect for keeping your car looking clean, polished, and professionally maintained with minimal effort. And finally, our last choice is Turtle Wax All-Purpose Interior Car Cleaner. The all-in-one car interior cleaner is a premium solution designed to clean, protect, and refresh your vehicle's interior with ease. Powered by natural enzymes, it safely removes tough stains, dirt, and grime from leather seats, vinyl, plastic, and rubber without leaving any greasy residue, making it ideal for everyday maintenance. Its pH-balanced formula, enriched with aloe vera and conditioning oils, gently cleans while restoring a natural, streak-free shine to all surfaces. Beyond cleaning, it eliminates unwanted odors at the source, leaving your car interior smelling fresh and inviting. Advanced protection is a standout feature. Ceramic and graphene polymers shield surfaces from UV damage, preventing fading, cracking, and static buildup, while repelling dust for longer-lasting cleanliness. Application is simple and convenient. Shake well, spray onto a microfiber towel, or directly on the surface. Wipe and buff for an immaculate finish. The result is a clean, protected, and beautifully maintained interior, perfect for anyone seeking professional quality care at home. What do you think about this video? If it helped make your decision easier, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified of upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.